मिरामार शारदा मंदिर स्कुला लागसारच्या फूट ओव्हरब्रिजाचो PWDन फिजिबिलिटी रिपोर्ट केला. फायल जिल्लोधिकाऱ्या कडेन वतली. जिल्लोधिकारी तो मोडपा विशीं अर्द काडटलो, आमदार मंत्री बाबूश उलयला. मजगतीं जिल्लोधिकारी आनी पणजे महापालिकेचे टिमीन फूट ओव्हरब्रिजाची पळोवणी केली. स्कुलांत यो वच करपी भुरगीं, शिक्षक, पालकांक धोक्याचो म्हूण हो ओव्हरब्रिज मोडपाची मागणी.
PWD basically has already given a feasibility report as far as this thing is concerned. The state of affair of that, what is that? Foot bridge. Now the file basically will go to the collector. We will issue an order from the collector to pull it down.
For demolition?
Yeah, to demolition.
We're basically discussing about the demolition of this bridge. Collector ma'am has told us that she'd passed an order to CCTV regarding this pipe in the bridge. Once that order comes, we'll issue a short tender as per quotation and remove the bridge now.